Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the contents of femoral triangle. The contents of femoral triangle are femoral artery and its branches, femoral vein and its tributaries, femoral nerve and its branches, deep inguinal lymph nodes, a part of lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, and some fibrofatty tissue. So first we'll see the femoral artery and its branches. So this is the femoral artery. So this femoral artery is the continuation of external iliac artery. This is the femoral artery, which is the continuation of external iliac artery, and it's the largest branch of femoral artery. So this is the profunda femoris artery. Profunda femoris artery, and is the largest branch of femoral artery. And this is the lateral circumflex femoral artery. Lateral circumflex femoral artery, and is the branch of profunda femoris artery. Next, femoral vein. This is the femoral vein, and it is the tributary of femoral vein. So femoral vein, and this is the great saphenous vein. Great saphenous vein. Next, the proximal 3 to 4 centimeters of the femoral vessels are enveloped by the femoral sheath. So this is the femoral sheath. So that is the femoral sheath. This is the femoral sheath. The proximal 3 to 4 centimeters of the femoral vessels are enveloped by the femoral sheath. Then coming to the femoral nerve. is the femoral nerve. So this femoral nerve is the largest branch of the lumbar plexus and is a nerve of the extensor compartment of thigh. And this is the trunk of femoral nerve, and it gives two divisions, posterior division, anterior division, and some muscular branches. This is the nerve to pectineus, that is the nerve to pectineus, and this anterior division of the femoral trunk. It gives two cutaneous branches. So this is the this one is the intermediate femoral cutaneous nerve. This is the intermediate femoral cutaneous nerve. Next, this is the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. This one is the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. Then posterior division that gives some muscular branches and one cutaneous branch. So this is the saphenous nerve, which is the longest cutaneous nerve of the body. Okay, so posterior division of the trunk of the femoral nerve that gives muscular branches and one cutaneous branch. So this cutaneous branch is the saphenous nerve, which is the longest cutaneous nerve of the body. Next, other contents are deep inguinal lymph nodes. So there can be 3, 4 or 5 deep inguinal lymph nodes, and they lies medial to the femoral vein under the cribriform fascia. So this is the cloacated lymph node. So this cloacated lymph node is the uppermost node in the groin under the inguinal ligament, and it is also called Rosenmuller's lymph node, and it is also considered as the lowest of the external iliac lymph nodes. Okay, next, other contents are femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. This is the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, and a part of lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. This is the part of lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, and last one is the some fibrofatty tissue. So all these are the contents of femoral triangle. Once again I'll repeat. Femoral artery and its branches. Okay, so and this femoral artery is the continuation of external iliac artery, and this is the profunda femoris artery and is the largest branch of femoral artery, and this is the lateral circumflex femoral artery and is the branch of profunda femoris artery. Then femoral vein and its tributaries, great saphenous vein. Then the proximal 3 to 4 centimeters of the femoral vessels or enveloped by the femoral sheath. This is the femoral sheath. Next, femoral nerve and its branches. The femoral nerve is the largest branch of the lumbar plexus and is a nerve of the extensor compartment of thigh. And this is the trunk of femoral nerve. It gives two divisions, posterior division, anterior division, and some muscular branches. So this is the nerve to pectineus. So this anterior division, it gives two cutaneous branches. This is the intermediate femoral cutaneous nerve, and this one is the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. Intermediate femoral cutaneous nerve, medial femoral cutaneous nerve. While the posterior division of the trunk of the femoral nerve, that gives some muscular branches and one cutaneous nerve. This cutaneous nerve is the saphenous nerve and is the longest cutaneous nerve of the body. And other contents are like femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, and a part of lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, and lastly some fibrofatty tissue. So by this we complete the contents of femoral triangle. So please subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you.